Today, ma'am, my topic that assigned to me is the quantity discount. Quantity discount is the price reduction offered to a customer for ordering in large quantities. Example, if palit ka ng madaig, as usual, ang guide less nan kay madaig man ipalit mo. And example is palit ka na ang grocery, makalas ka if dili itemize ang paliton mo. So, yung purpose ni is to incentivize bulk buying and reduce overall cost for both buyers and suppliers. So we have a formula of the total cost. So where total cost equals to Q divided by 2 times H plus D divided by Q times S plus PD. So where Q stands for quantity discount, H for holding cost per units per year, and D is annual demand, S ordering cost per order, and P unit price, and PD purchasing cost. The next one is the price breaks goes through pricing. So in the table we have the order quantity and the price per box. So kung yung order quantity na is 1 to 44, yung price na per box is $2. If mutaas yung order na 45 to 69, mag-less ng $0.30. So, yung price per box is $1.70. And kung taas ng 70 plus yung order quantity na, yung price per box is 140 naman. So, the more na yung kataas yung order quantity na, the lesser yung price per box na. May tawag na quantity discount. So next, according to next graph, the total cost curve with quantity discount is composed of portion of the total cost curve for each price. So, among gyapon yung day na, the more na magkadaig yung ordering quantity, the more is magkababa yung kanaan purchasing cost. So the next table that it's illustrate the two ways using 20% to illustrate holding costs that are a percentage of unit price. So we have the two ways. Is the first way is you can use the constant having a $4, and you can use also the 20% of the price. Holding cost affect the best order quantity to depending on whether they are fixed or a percentage of price. So quantity discounts affect both unit price and total inventory cost. Optimal order size must consider ordering, carrying, and purchasing cost. Always compare total cost curves for all price levels to find the most cost-effective option. That's all. Thank you.